15 and Kullervonkatu 16. It's in, there's two addresses. It's in a corner building in Tampere, Finland, rectangular Kone. Monospace. Let's write it. I don't know if it's locked off.
Yeah.
It was built in 1998, H73089. It's open.
Yeah,
But
but
what
basement
about
is
P?
unfortunately locked.
We are on P.
Yeah, it's
Wait a
not
minute.
possible to change.
Hey, P, we are here.
Yeah.
There is another floor.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's locked off. Okay. I thought this was P. It was
No.
locked off. No, but it's not locked off. 8 pushes or 630 kilograms. So the waiter turned 20 years old last year, 2018. In 2020, this will be inspected again. So it's 7 floors, but the basement K is locked off. Very nice elevator.
Yeah.
Luckily, this door was not locked off completely. Able to get inside, but unfortunately, we cannot go through the basement.
Yeah.
But we got one at least.
Yeah.
Today it's the 10th of July 2019. I think I need to take another ride because now it's not focusing so well. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Inspekteert paikki inspektör, maintain paikki on.
Yeah. I said B, by the way, it's B like a half floor? I don't know, maybe.
Yeah.
Another ride. We can just take another ride. I guess. Yeah, and I think we can press P already. No, but it was too early. This should close now. Please. It's wasting our time. Okay. Oh, no, we can. No, it doesn't have full memory.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't. Nice find in Tampere, of course.
Yeah.
Or like nice find in general, of course. This is very nice. But it's kind of jumping when you get to the top floor. I think that has to be maintained at the next inspection.
Yeah.
This could be early 1998, maybe.
Yeah.
Or we don't know. Maybe this wasn't constructed until 1999.
Yeah.
No, we checked that out on the internet. Let's see, what does it say? 98. So yeah, probably early 1998. So this was staircase 3.
That's
Thank you for watching.